Nice job, the Bulls. Scan me, scans. Problem. What's that? Oh, medallion? Problemo? Okay, yeah. Somebody else already got it. Let's go, shotgun. John's gonna go. Wait. Shut up, bro. Go me down. Oh, wait there. Dang. Oh, got it hit. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. My fullberry kind of ran out midair, and I thought I died. Wait. Oh, wait. Put fullberry. Carbon, go. 20. You know, Jonathan, it would be really nice if you could help. It'd be really nice if you could help, man. Let's get rebooted, dude. Oh. Guys. Kind of on. Come on. No. Oh, she just did. Wait. She said she can hop on. Wait. She making herself food. Alright. Yeah. Wait, what? Hey guys, take it away. Guys, follow along. Guys. Hi. Says she don't got her fire. Follow along. Yeah, it's a problem. Okay, that's it. Here, 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 right here. I got you. Hold it in. I'm gonna get jumped. I'm gonna get jumped. Give me a shot. Get routes. Get routes. Get routes. Get routes. Come here, come here, come here. Oh. Okay. That's good to see. Oh, wait, Alright. Nitro, come on, come on, come on. Steal. Jonathan, it's middle time. Bang! Got him. Slip, slip, slip. Back fell, back fell. Up top, up top, up top. Oh, it's a bot. Oh yeah, it's not a bot, it's not a bot. I'm gonna murk someone, I'm actually gonna murk someone. You're on it, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. I'll come to you, I'll come to you. No, no, I'm sorry. No, Jonathan, answer me. Guys. I'm dead right now. Okay, Jonathan, get reboot and dip. Pop Nitro, pop Nitro. Pop. It's down, just drop down. Pop Nitro, drop down, get reboot. And then dip. Pickles. Pickles. Alright guys, everything's better. Wait, you can get the medallion. And then just jump him. Or you could be smarter. Yeah, man. Reboot, and then while you're rebooting, look at this. Can I have the SMG? Yeah, SMG. Dude, what happened? Of what? Yeah. Oh, give it. Damn. Give it. Oh, give me the SMG. I need it. You don't like that SMG. You do? It's mine now. Wait. Oh, this one? Yeah, you can have that. Why do I need to sign up for that sign? I do. But again, what is the chest? What the hell? Why would you do that? This is about to play the game with you, bum. No, I don't. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something. Someone's here. There. It's up. Oh my god. What the? Wait, I'm gonna fight these guys. Alright, I'm gonna dip.
Oh.
This is a dumb idea. I'll bet. Wait. Fuck, this guy. He has medallion. Nothing. Yeah. Oh, he's going in the car. Where'd he go? Right. Oh, he's dipping. He used this thing. Oh, he's getting found. I see him. In there. Oh, wait, no. Wait, okay, look at our car. Watch, we're gonna dip. Pop nitro. Oh, watch this. Now watch me win.